So we're at my dad's house, about to disassemble the pocket bike so we can get the motor out and hopefully mount it on this elevation Schwinn bike, whatever the hell it is. 15 speed, not anymore. Didn't even have a damn chain, so we had to buy one, and we got to buy some sprockets too. And hopefully we can get some kind of rig up and you get rid of that little small sprocket and replace it with a bicycle sprocket right here. But that's too tiny to hold a big bike chain. If we use a pocket bike chain for the bike, the bicycle, the mountain bike, it'll tends to break a little easier, and with the bigger one we get a little more speed, a little more force, and more strength in the chain. So yeah, see what we can do with that.
Let's begin destruction.
Yeah. Get the motor out of there. We went ahead and did a nice good clean to it, Get all that oil and bad shit on it off of there. Sealed the exhaust, a plastic Walmart Kroger bag, and then we sealed the carburetor air slot with some electrical tape to kind of keep water from getting in there and damaging the components of the motor. And so step 2 in our amazing project is we're gonna take off the gears. Hopefully we can use some of them for the drive for this bike, and the drive has to be on this side instead instead of on this side over here, because this is left side drive, meaning your drive is going to be on your left instead of your right, like an actual motorcycle, like a dirt bike. Instead of being on the right side, it's going to be on your left side. So this is going to be rotating that way. It's going to go right around counterclockwise. It's going to move the chain forward, and we're going to get some kind of system going that kind of takes advantage of the gearing ratio. I'm almost thinking if it's going to be a tri-ratio drive, it may have to be flipped. I don't know yet. We'll have to look at some schematics to see which way is which. So instead of going forward, we don't go backwards. So yeah, hopefully this thing goes well. We're gonna pull this shit out of here and let's get this thing going. So yeah.
We hate Obama ever so much.
That was awesome.
So let's go burn it.
Alright. See this video right here, okay. Right click it. You're gonna copy the link location. Alright, right here. Paste it. See where it says watch? Put an underscore, pop up. Now you can watch it as many times as you want, change the resolution, and watch it in HD.
Hell yeah.
Just gotta let it load. It's kind of a big video, so we'll just let it load. It's pretty fucking funny. I love this guy.
Alright, well, good.
Cool.
Is that all?
Huh? Oh, you're filming.
Yeah.
What?
Is that all?
Oh, what?
I don't know. What else were you gonna do today?
I don't know. Stop it. Kill.
Okay. So. Buzz is in there he's releasing his dump. So you can see right there. And, I'm over here fixing, Seven's fuck up. Because he doesn't have any antivirus or anything on here, because, well, actually, I think he does. It's like this McAfee crap, but I don't think he reuses it. So, today we're going to be figuring out what the hell kind of porn this kid downloaded. So, to do that, let's go find McAfee and see if it is actually on this computer. So, we'll do that. Okay, so he doesn't have this McAfee stuff on here, I don't think. Unless, Seven's an idiot.